recent update allows us to get free conchs, cigar, speedup, and hero experience for free weekly. Moreover, fishing in the Sea of Conquest adds some fun. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will cover how to fish like a pro in the angling event, grab all free rewards, and share some exciting news about Packsify. Angling event is a fishing game where you can earn rewards. Firstly, click the yellow button to throw bait into the sea and wait for a fish to take the bait. Once a fish takes the bait, tap and hold the yellow button to increase the rod tension to the optimum position in the middle or within the bracket. Release the button when you get there and hold again when the tension drops out of the bracket. Keep an eye on the tension bar. If the tension is too high, the string will snap, and the fish will escape. If it's too low, the fish will also escape. Each fish has a different weight and quality. The higher the weight and quality, the more hit points it has and the longer the fishing time. The fishing rod is used as a weapon to reduce the fish's hit points. A better rod helps you fish faster. You will see the fish's hit points dropping. You'll have caught the fish once the fish's hit points reach zero. The goal is to keep the tension optimum, increasing the damage by 5%, and have a chance of triggering a rampage that delivers critical hits to the fish, speeding up fishing. After catching the fish, you can auto-sell it or keep it as an ingredient in the galley. Selling it will yield approximately 15 fish coins and some gold. Please note that the fish you caught will not generate a fish card, so you can sell the fish as you wish. The angling pass includes daily and weekly missions. Completing these missions will raise your overall level and unlock additional rewards. You can also find chests under the missions, providing decent rewards. It is essential to complete the missions daily. We don't recommend spending money on the angling pass, as the items are only meant to speed up mission completion. The pass is entirely optional. Meanwhile, we've started using gleamstones to simplify our in-game purchases and manage our game budget. 10,000 gleamstones may cost over $126 or even higher in some countries due to digital taxes. Thanks to Packsify, the sponsor of this video, we can now get 10,000 gleamstones for just $90, saving between 10% and 35%, depending on your country. Packsify is a thriving Discord community with over 10,000 members. It has saved players over $4.1 million in the last 3 years. Now, they're launching an app that makes getting discounts easier. Packsify is hosting an app launch contest to celebrate. By joining the waiting list through the link in the description, you get a chance to win $1,000 in Packsify credits. It's simple, click the link below, join the waiting list and the Discord server, and you could be the lucky winner of $1,000 in Packsify credits. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, X, and other platforms for a bigger chance to win. Hurry up because the winner will be announced on July 15th. Remember, if you decide to use Packsify now, you can use our referral code, Meta Instincts, during onboarding. It helps support our channel and ensures you get specialized support if you're a big spender with a big team. Links in the description. Thanks to Packsify for sponsoring this video. Fishing gear. There are currently 4 types of fishing gear: the legendary beast bone and thick wooden rods, the elite racing rod, and the rare classic rod. The beast bone rod can only be obtained from the angling pass or bundle, which isn't free. The other rods can be acquired for free from the angling pass. The higher the quality of the rod, the greater the damage it can inflict. For example, a level 20 thick wooden rod will cause more damage than a level 27 racing rod. Each rod has a unique effect, such as increasing the rampage damage. You can increase the rod's rank by up to 30 stars using fragments from the same named rod. But note that the fragment will not unlock a new rod. You need to obtain the rod first before using the fragments. You can level up the rod using the angler stone, which can be obtained for free from the angling pass and shop. We do not recommend spending the stones to level up the purple and blue rods. It is better to spend them on the legendary rod instead. It's important to understand that the fishing gear only reduces the time it takes to catch a fish. It does not increase the chance of getting legendary fish or more coins. Therefore, you don't have to rush to level up with money. Fish card. The fish card is obtained from the angling pass, not from catching fish. For example, once you reach level 35, you can acquire 2 golden bird fish cards. These cards can also be purchased with gold from the angling shop. Fish cards enable us to enhance a fish by increasing its weight, damage, and score. As the level increases, the score improves, allowing us to complete angling pass missions more quickly. Buying fish cards with gold is optional. particularly if you have an excess amount. However, if you wish to complete the mission at a faster rate, it may be worth spending over 20 million gold. Fish coin. The fish coin is the most exciting item from the angling event. By completing the event, we can obtain up to 8 conchs, 20 eco conchs, 20 master pipes, 40 royal cigars, 120 hours of construction and stargaze speed up, and hero experience monthly. To acquire all items except wood and stone, we need 17,400 fish coins weekly. Selling fish alone won't yield enough coins for the exchange. However, the positive aspect is that we can obtain sufficient fish coins from the angling pass. The daily mission provides a chest with 2,000 coins. If completed daily, it can accumulate up to 14,000 coins. The weekly mission offers a chest with 4,000 coins. Lastly, we can receive up to 2,000 free coins from the angling pass rewards. Altogether, we can obtain 20,000 free coins to get these items for free. Additionally, we can exchange gold for fish coins, but this is only necessary if any missions have been missed. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.